Okay, welcome ulit po mga aking mga basketball fans. Second game for tonight na between yan po ang In-Flights playing white and gold combination versus white and blue combination po. Yan po ang Airport United. Okay, AU versus In-Flights po tayo yun. Mukhang na both teams yata, depleted yata yung lineup nila. Mukhang we'll expect na a very good game po ngayon dahil si halos ano sila ngayon.
Kaya pwede mag-shoutout?
Sige sir, idol.
Ano, si Patrick Luna po pa-shoutout. Ito po.
Okay. Baka nakalib yan.
Ay, okay lang, kahit nakalib. Bigyan.
Nakalib na problema. Baka mamaya naka-medical leave eh. Yan. Ayan po si Patrick Luna raw. Yan. Along with si Mrs. B. Okay. Mrs. na, di ba? Mrs. na? Oh, Mrs. B.
Ay.
Ako pala. Naghahanap kayo ng kakanta. Martin, wedding.
Ayan, sige ano po. Si ano po, i-flex natin siya.
Flex natin, di ba? Pag kailangan nila ng kakanta.
Mga wedding singer po dyan, o mga patimpalak po dyan, hanapin na itong taong
Pag
to.
kailangan niyo po ng paglalaruan sa bahay.
Kaya kung kumakanta ka, di ba inabutan yung may pakanta dito dati? Yung sina ano? May mga pakanta dati dito ba?
Naku kuya, ano na to? Walang biro.
Oo.
Hindi ko na.
Oo.
Nakinig
Hindi, dati kasi may patimpalak dati, ang premyo, umabot sa 10,000 real.
Meron pa kaya this year?
Sa mga Filipino communities baka meron.
Baka may...
Pero usually kasi nangyari kasi yan, pag yung Independence Day, may patimpalak yan. Singing contest, every Independence Day.
Pagka may ano sir.
Sa ano lang naman ng Philippine MSC, may mga ano yan, may mga billboards. Hindi, yung, di ba, meron yan, pag yung, di ba, siya pag mag-independence may mga events tayo doon, may pa-singing contest yan.
Dapat pala din, nagtitinda tayo.
Baka may album yan. Baka may album. Baka may album yan. Baka may album to taon to, ha. Okay, second game for tonight playing is AU Airport United versus the In-Flights. Ito na, Eric Grama and pops up. Pasok ang bola agad, binagsak agad. Sino po nga to? Bago to, ah. Malabo naman ako. Sino to? Si Taki. Pareño, nope, it's Babagay. Binababa ang bola. AU. Taki again. Taki palpal. Swiped away. Burado. Nabura ang bola kay Taki. Taki ba? Taki? Taka ba? Sorry, Taka. Eric Grama again. Pasok ang bola. 3 points by Grama. Nice swipe away by Hirwa over Taka. Samples Gabby's watching. Nice one by number 18. And Hirwa, palpal by Babagay. Pinapan ng bola. And to Taka man. Nope, it's Grama. Grama is Hirwa. Manson. Grama. No good. And Manson parang kamikaze look ngayon, ha. Kamikaze look. Manson may white headband, ha. Pops up. No good. Again. Okay. Back again po sa blue, white and blue shirts. Airport United. Dapat isang white, isang dark. Okay, Babagay. Binababa ang bola. Number 8, Babagay. Pops up. Pasok. Patok. Okay, 6-9. Borlasa. Number 18, Borlasa. Hirwa. Hop. Baredo. 2 points. Mr. B, 2 points. And Babagay. Ayaw. Taka rather. No good. Air ball. And to Manson. Driving strong. Pops up. 2 points, Manson. 2 points. Borlasa, binababa ang bola. 9-9. 9-2 nating run already. Been posted na by AU. Pops up, Borlasa, wala. Rebound battle won by Hirwa. Nobis, babagay. Taka, driving strong. Whoop, ayaw. And Manson for 3. Malakas. Babagay, hinabol, out of bounds. Balik muli po sa Golden Shirts ang bola sa in-flights. Al-Ain Lim and Hirwa. Pasok ang bola kay Hirwa. 2 points, Hirwa. The Black Assassin, Hirwa, pumapasok na rin. Hirwa, 2 points by Hirwa. Babagay. Nope, it's Manson for 3. Nope. Rebound again by White Shirts. That's Pareño. In flights. Pareño, binababa ang bola. Pareño. Nope. It's Hirwa. Again, back-to-back ball game. Back-to-back basket by Hirwa. Okay, 9-6 ang score po ngayon. Babagay. At 6:07 remaining sa ating first quarter action. Babagay, zigzagging its way. Nando si Pareño. Pareño, binababa ang bola. Pareño, against Babagay. Pareño, 2 points. Okay, 9-8 pong score kagad. An 8-2 nating blast already been posted by Team In Flights. And Escobedo, 2 points Escobedo. 2 points. And dito na si Mr. Sino to? Labo naman to. Pops up. Barredo. Tapos ang konti. And Babagay. Nope, it's Manson. Pops up. 3 points, Manson. Ay, may kasilok. Kabigas. And Pareño. Hirwa. Pareño. To Borlasa. Gumapang ang bola palabas. Hirwa, power move. Foul called. Change 5 po tayo. That will be at 4:4 remaining. Second lineup na si Team Kalilo and Company. Portion nandiyan si Candol at yung mga kasama po nila. Sa kabila ng po, of course, Borlasa retain pero nandun si number 29. Hirwa shooting for 2 pa rin. No good. Si Manapat nandyan din. Third D Canton. Yamete Kudasai. Taka Pinta. Agoy. Hirwa. Okay, shot made by Hirwa. Please take note po, both teams are depleted. Wala po ganong players mo dumating po ngayon. Baka may duty pong iba po dyan. Nandiyan po ang in-flights. Nandun si Borlasa, 2 points. Okay, 14-11. Tatlo po kalamangan po ng team AU. Over in-flights. Candol. Pops up. Kalilong. No good. Hirwa naka-rebound. Nope. Nandiyan si Escobedo. Manson, 2 points. Munoz, 2 points. Yung kanilang stakeholder, naglalaro din pala. Hirwa and the sky play, no good. Nandun si Kalilong. Si Ubao pala nandyan din, pero foul called. Third dinner Candon said, yeah. Taka Pinta, binabati ka. Ubaob, 34, Ubaob. Nope, it's Kalilong. Ubaob again for 3. No good. Rebound by Manapat. To Borlasa. Borlasa binababa ang bola. Borlasa, no good. No good. Steal po ni Candol. Palpal ni Escobedo. Walang foul. Candol on the run. Candol against Manapat. Pops up. 2 points, Candol. Candol, pinapakita pa rin na meron siyang binubuga. Alex Ordon is watching. Nice swipe, Candol, pero 2 points para kay In-Flights. That's number 29 for the In-Flights, 2 points. And Obaob, binababa ang ball ni Obaob. Obaob to Candol, Candol, nanggaling mapasahan. Escobedo on malapat. Nope, ayaw niya. And Obaob, cutting, nandun si Hirwa. Still completed, again by In-Flights. 18-13. Nice one, may foul called. Candol called for a foul. Sino ba to? Natividad. That's Natividad shooting for 2. Natividad shooting for 2 po tayo. First shot. Pasok. Second throw, jumpers ready po tayo from for Natividad. Second throw, Natividad. Jumpers ready. Pops up. No good. Kapos ang bola. Kapos, Natividad. And Kalilong for the inbound. Nandiyan si Candol. CNC connection. Candol. Kalilong. Nice one, Escobedo. No good. One more time, Escobedo. Nandun. Si Hirwa. Swipe the ball. Natividad, Borlasa, malakas ang pasa kay Borlasa. Balik muli po tayo sa AU ang bola. Obaob, kick pass, Kalilong. Kalilong, floater shot, no good. Escobedo, foul on Hirwa. Hirwa, hope for a foul. Pops up. Yes, sirree. Second shot. Jumper ready. Second throw. Pops up. Wala. And buhay ang bola. Buhay ang bola. Hirwa again to Borlasa. Borlasa binaba bola. Borlasa. Candol. Nice. D-back. Candol. Manapat for 3. No good. Rebound. Escobedo. Over Natividad. And to Obaob. Obaob binababa bola. Obaob. Obaob. Potter shot. 2 points. Obaob. 2 shot. 2 points for Obaob. 21-14. Labalik ko sa pitong kalamangan ng team AU. Borlasa for 3 points. Pasok ang baso. Swak sa baso ang pantira ni Borlasa. 3 points. 21-17, apat na naman ang kalamangan. 1 minute 9 remaining. Munoz, tilayuan lang. Obaob, pops up. No good. Hirwa naka-rebound. Natividad. And Natividad. Nice cut. No good. Rebound, Kalilong. Nice cut by Salting kanina, pero di na shooting ni Hiro ang bola. Candol. Hook shot made, pero hindi bumubra. Mataas ang malaki bantay. And one play, no good. Kalilong called for the foul. Hirwa shooting for 2, number 12 ng In-Flights. It's in. Second throw, jumpers ready. 21-18, laman ng tatlo na lang ang AU. Muli. Hirwa, second throw, jumpers ready. Both basket made. Lamang ng dalawa. Candol. Nasa ka na, Candol? Candol. Munoz. Kapos. Rebound, Escobedo. Malakas. That's it. First quarter is ended. Hanap buhay muna tayo. Okay. Okay. You're watching now between In-Flights and Airport United. And afterwards po is of course Boleros versus the Sky Team. This is your Aviation Friendly League, Davao sa Flying League. Would like to thank the following sponsors: LBC, Hari ng Padala, and Team Thread and Needles. And of course, thank you po ang PSBQ Basketball League at SPB Doha for keeping the game in neat and orderly fashion. You're watching right now the game between In-Flights and Airport United. Second quarter action. In-Flight. Okay, that's Bacchiano. Ayan na, Claveria. Nagdadating na rin po yung ano ng In-Flights din. Yung kanyang rest back. Pops up, manapat, wala. Rebound, nandun si Bacchiano. Wala pa rin. Rebound barrel, nandun si Eric. And Manson for 3. No good. Balik ulit tayo sa bola. Pareño. Baredo, no good. Rebound. Nice pass by foul called. Pareño shooting for 2 for sure. Pareño shooting for 2. Okay. 9:18 remaining. Pareño first shot. Pasok. 1 point lead advantage again now by AU. One more shot. No good. Rebound by Kalilong. Kalilong binabang bola. Kalilong binabang bola. Babagay. Foul on Claveria for sure. Sumabit. Nalaksi ni Claveria. And now Babagay for the inbound. Taka rather. 3 points Taka. Huwag kang magtaka kay Taka. And now Claveria. Hoop shot, no good. And same ball for sure. That's a 3-point shot by Taka. Huwag kayo magtaka kay Taka. And nag-outed. Pareño over Taka. Nandun si Manson. Now tayo Babagay ang mga nagbabalikan ng bola. Babagay, kinaliwa. And Baredo, Claveria, driving strong, dish of pass. Nandun si Mr. Babagay, binababang bola. Kalilong swipe away by Pareño. Alam ko, basketball kinocover ka, pero naging volleyball yata ang laro ngayon. Puro spike eh. Okay, game. Austin Barantas Shed, shoutout po kay boss sa akin. Maraming salamat po, sir. Shoutout din siya kay Sir Austin. SG, no good. Babagay, no good. Rebound by Bacchiano to Mr. Baredo. Manapat. Pareño, 2 points. 7:27 remaining. Again, 24-22 ang kalamangan na po is 2 points na lang by AU. Japet Montisis watching. Babagay. Pops up, Manson, no good. Rebound by Manapat. Again, chance na to tie the ball game. Bacchiano. Pareño, pops up. 2 points. Tabla. First deadlock of the game now between AU and In-Flights given by Pareño. Yung kanya mga deadly sa perimeter gumagana ngayon. Manson for 3. No good. Rebound again by Baredo. Nandun si Babagay. Grama. Kalilong, no good. One more time, Kalilong. Wala pa rin. Natividad. Against Bacchiano. Against Claveria to Pareño. 2 points lamang ang In-Flights. Timeout called by Team AU. The score right now is 24-26. Lamang na po ng dalawa ang team in flight. Init. Nga pala, malapit na. Hindi pa pala. 6:16 remaining. Second quarter action. The score is 24-26. Impress po, may lamang na po ng dalawa. Scott, naka-duty po ngayon. Kaya shoutout po kay Scott. And Manson, number 5 for the inbound to Babagay. Si Jepox din yata naka-duty din. Lumilipad yata right now if you're wondering. Si Carmona. Halilong. SG. No good. Baredo. Against Babagay. And Manapat for 2. No. Rebound Kalilong. Babagay again. Babagay. Number 8. Babagay for 3. Wala. Baquiano. Pareño. Double shirts. Nagbabantay. Calveria. No. Bis Baquiano. Pareño. Pops up. Wala. Rebound Manson against Pareño. Binabantay ni Pareño. Manson. Nope. Ayaw. And SG. Taka again. Nope. And Claveria. Nice swipe away. No good. Claveria. 2 points. Wala pa rin. Babagay. Walang foul. Baquiano. Pops up. No good. Pareño. Malakas. Foul call. Take 2. Baredo. Mr. B shooting for 2. Change 5 po tayo. Calling out second 5 po natin sa both teams po natin. First shot, Baredo. First shot. Pasok. Second shot, Baredo. Jumpers ready po tayo. Second shot, Baredo. Pasok na! Okay, second shot, Baredo. Pops up. Jumpers ready. Nope. Rebound by Hirwa. Naipit. And 3-second violation call. Timeout. Team AU. Score po natin 20-27. 3-point advantage now been posted now by team in flights. If you're watching right now, there's a second game for tonight between AU, clad in white and blue combination versus Implights. Yan po ang white and gold combination. Sir, kami sir, idol. Prokari. Okay. Check. Okay, balik muli po tayo sa ating laro po ngayon. Candol for the inbound. 4:40 remaining. Si Scott, nanonood po siya. Shoutout sa Scott. Candol to Escobedo. Binabawang bola. Candol. Nako! Nakalusot. Okay, good. And Manson. Candol. Driving show. Pops up. Foul. That's Molina shooting for 2. Nakakuha ng foul kay Salting, number 23. Molina, first shot. kapos. Second shot, Molina. Jumpers ready po tayo. No good. Rebound again by Hirwa. Hirwa on the run. Hirwa. No, it's Borlasa. Nandun si Escobedo. Nandun si Candol. Candol, binababang bola. Candol. Number 8. It's Escobedo. 2 points Escobedo. Nice cut by Escobedo from Candol. Borlasa. Hirwa. Claveria, malakas. Salting. Good ball. Nice D. Kick pass. Kick. Nice swipe. Natividad. Palpal. And sa airport na ito pang bola. What a block by Escobedo. Yan yung block na walang kawala. And eto na, Candol, binababa ang bola, Candol, binababa ang bola. Lamang lang ng isa ang in-flights, AU. Obaob, thinking 3 nga. No good, rebound by Candol, pops up. No good. Claveria, ayan, 1-on-1. Salting. And one play binigay kay Borlasa, sorry. Borlasa 2 points plus bonus free throw. The score right now is 26-29. Laman ng tatlo. Ang team Ain Flights. And coming up next po is Boleros and the Sky Team. Yan, magandang laban din yan. Borlasa, pops up. Wala, nandun si Escobedo. Nice D by Hirwa. Walang pinasahan. Ayun. Molina. To Candol. Foul called. Called for a foul. Claveria. And Obaob. Candol. Thinking 3. Pops up. Malakas. Nando si Salting. Nando si Candol naman. Candol. Binabamalakas ang Candol. Escobedo. Power move. Now it's Munoz. Naku, sayang. Hirwa. Binababang bola. Hirwa. Palpal. Same ball. (26-29) a 3-point lead advantage been posted by Team In Flights over AU. And both teams also depleted po yung kanilang lineup dahil sila kasi iba yan sa kanila, may mga duty kaya di po gano'n si papuntahan. Claveria, wala. Obaob, birat na kay Candol. 2 points Candol. 1:16 remaining. 28-29, alam ng isa. Natividad, Hirwa, swipe away, birat na naman, Candol, touchdown, 2 points. Nice shot by Candol, again to Hirwa again, Salting, and Borlasa for 3, nope, rebound again by Escobedo to Candol again, Candol, Obaob combination, and Munoz for 3, wala. Okay, 35 seconds remaining. The score is 30-29. Natividad, binababa ang bola. Maraming salamat po sa 11 viewers po natin right now. Claveria, wala. And Hirwa, hinabol ang bola. Claveria, Borlasa, 2 points. Okay. Siso battle, lamang na naman ang in-flights. Candol. 5 seconds. Escobedo. Backing violation. And that ends now our first half. After first half po, Laman po ng isa ang In-Flights 3031. You're watching right now In-Flights versus Airport United. And of course, after this po is Boleros versus the Sky Team. Third quarter na po. Of course, sa ating Saturday basketball action na po. First game po will be the Hub versus QDF. Of course, sa pangalawa po is the Projects versus Angkas. Para po bukas po yan. This is your pambihira. Hindi pa to. Okay. This is your aviation friendly doubles of flying league. We'd like to follow sponsors Team LBC, Harin Padala, and Thread Needles. Sampo na po dyan SPB Doha and PSBQ. And first and second game for tonight now is Airport United versus the In-Flights. Inbounding po ang Airport United sa In-Flights third quarter action start right now. Taka thinking 3. Nope, is Manson. Kapos. Borlasa, kapos. Rebound, babagay. Kick pass na naman kay Manson. No good. Pareño, nope, it's Borlasa, thinking 3, nope, it's Barredo. No good. Rebound battle won by Team In-Flights. Pops up. Wala pa rin. Rebound nga, hindi babagay. Binababa ang bola. Babagay. SG. Eric. Malakas. Taka. Hinabol ang bola. Di umabot. Bakiano. Nope, it's Pareño. Kapos. Nice D. By Eric. Babagay, 2-on-2 situation. Babagay, no, it's Manson. Pops up. No good. Rebound, Taka. Wala pa rin. Rebound, babagay. Taka. Babagay. Pops up. No good. Malapat. Kapos. Sobra. Babagay. Driving strong. And one play pabiligay kay Babagay. Kay gandang baka. 8:09 remaining. 32-31. Babagay shooting for the bonus free throw. Ha. 8:09 remaining. What happened? Okay, mukhang ano yata. Ano nangyari? Rep, ano nangyari? Rep, ano nangyari? Babagay, first shot. No good. Nando si Kandol. Babagay to Kalilong. Kalilong the lefty. And one play pa binigay muli. Nagbalay si Kalilong. Ito, kita ka? Kita ka yan? Bata. Okay. Kalilong 2 points. Eto na. Traveling relation cold. Wala siya eh. Hindi makali. Okay, balik muli po tayo. Manson, binababa ang bola. Kandol, directing traffic. Manson for 3. Bang! Manson, 3 points. 7:10 remaining. Ariola is watching. Sir Bakulis Akainiso is watching. Naka-duty yata lahat. Pati ni Sir Phil, naka-duty rin daw. And eto na, Eric Grama for 2. Tapos, Kandol, hustle play. Nakawala. Manson for 3. Wala. Rebound by Baredo. Eric. Babagay. No good. Borlasa. Shake and fake against Kalilong. Natividad. Okay. Manapat 2 points. 6:15 remaining. If you're wondering, both teams are playing with depleted lineup. Kaya medyo maganda po ang dito, malalaman po natin kung sino talaga po ang mas may puso. For sure, dahil si parang makapagod po kagad. Konti na kasi po both teams ang pumunta para sa in-flights. And Airport United, 2 points na Natividad. Babagay. Babagay, lumusot. Babagay. Traveling violation po. And substitution made na. Hirwa pumasok muna para kay Manapat. Good minutes kay Manapat. Sa kabila naman si SG no, pinanatapon. Escobedo. Good minutes kay SG. Quality misog made by SG also. Natividad. Binababa ang bola. Pareño. 2 points. Usual shot. Sweet spot ni Pareño. Pasok. Again, 2 points na naman ang kalamangan na lang ng AU. AU. Escobedo, foul! Graveria called for a foul. Escobedo shooting for 2. Pasok. Second shot, jumpers ready. No good. Tatlong kalamangan po ng team in-flight, ng team over in-flight. Borlasa, no good. Rebound, Kandol. Kandol, Obaob, nandun sa loob. Kandol, kapos. Obaob, no, it's Manson. Babagay. And one play made by Babagay. Ha! Foul number 11, Babagay for the bonus free throw. Babagay shooting. That's good. Borlasa. Hirwa. History sana. Babagay, minamadali. Ayun, nice pass kay Obaob. Nice pass, Obaob. And Pareño, sweet spot. And one play binigay. Pareño, talagang usos pati Pareño yan. Pareño, bonus free throw. Okay, it's in. Kandol. Kandol, binaba bola. Obaob. Escobedo against Hirwa. Obaob for 3. Malakas. Nawalan bola. Nice one by Escobedo. Si Molina. Alak pa ng mini. Timeout called by in-flights. The score is 47-40. Lamang po ng 7 ang Team AU over in-flights. Back to the ball game. In-flights, inbounding. Kick pass, Borlasa. Borlasa, no, it's nice, Ahira, 3-second violation galang. Nice shot ni Hirasana, Hirwa. Kandol, 3-12 remaining. Nasa na po ang Team Sky Team. Napo fourth quarter na. Molina, traveling violation call kay Molina. Hirwa power move. Ulamos nga lang. And Obao, floater shot, no good. Escobedo, hoop shot, wala pa rin. Escobedo pa rin, nope, it's Babagay. Kandol. Kandol, Babagay for 3. Nope. Pareño, naka-rebound. Pareño. 2 points. Paredo. Borlasa, 2 points. Kandol, number 8. Babagay. Pops up. 2 points, Babagay. Nothing but net. Nice cut. Nice cut din. Nice steal by Natividad. Foul. Sabo na po tayo. Okay, Kalilong, labas mong pasok muna para Escobedo. And Hero also, pinasok muna, nilabas muna para sa fourth quarter. Para kay Salting. Pops up. Borlasa, 3 points. Borlasa, 3 points. 4-point lead po. Ang kalamangan na lang ng Team AU. Kick pass kay Ubaob. Ubaob. Molina, no good. Nakuha pa ni parang yung bola. Nope. Rattled out. Kandol for 3. Bang! 3 points. In and out. Out and in and out. Salting, binababa ang bola. Out of bounds. Okay, who's ball rep? Who's ball rep? Who's ball rep? Who's ball rep? Sabi ng in-rep is in-flights rep. Bola daw po ng in-flights, sabi ng referee. Wala tayong magagawa dyan. Referee's decision. Alfred Dino Marasigan is watching. Natividad floater shot. Wala. Isa pa daw. Pareño. No good. Rebound battle won by the in-flights. 8 seconds remaining. Third quarter action. Going to a close. Pareño. Pareño. Paredoy. Stepping violation. Ouch. That hurts. Obaob. Offline. Okay, that's it po. Third quarter action is closed already. Manya po ang fourth and final action. Oh. Okay, balik tayo. Three points again. Hello, yes? Papa. Anong bola, anong pangalan po? Monte na may letter E, ha? Okay, sige, titingin namin, ha? Titingin namin. Sino to? Sino to? Ah, Sir Albert. Okay, Albert Malisigan. Sige po. Sige po. Opo. Out of bounds. Ay. Ayun na, wala akong hit. Out of bounds. And for nice number Barredo. Umabol. Bawal yun. Sabi doon ng referee. Warning for delay, Hirwa. 8 minutes 45 remaining. Letter E daw. Bolang may letter E. Obaob. Binitbit. Hirwa naka-rebound. Nando sa Obaob din naman. Obaob against Hirwa. And Manson. No. Rebound battle won by Eric. Held ball situation. Barredo. Same ball daw. Sabi ng referee. Same ball. It's same. It's ball. It's same ball. Molina. Kick pass. Obaob. Ayun sa ilalim. Palpal. Pero may foul. Ay, traveling. Sorry. Traveling called. Pops up. Wala. Out of bounds. Kalilung, no good. 55-48, Ubaob. Nice wipe by Ubaob. Bakiano. Sige, ano mo? Salting. Malakas. Walang foul. Sabi referee. No foul. And Obaob, kick pass. Nice D5, pero hindi na control ni Boy Barredo ang bola. Substitution made now. Pareño, papasok na yan. Along with Calaveria. Labas muna si Paredo and Manson for 3. Bang! Bang, bang. 3 points. Girwa. Pass. Ayaw. Pops up. In and out. And buhay pa yung bola. Borlasa. Wala. Pareño. Pareño. 2 points. Pareño. Pareño 2 points. Nice shot by Pareño. And ito na si Mr. Ubaog. 6:27 remaining. Out of bounds. Backing violation. Backing violation. 6:19 remaining. And Pareño. Pareño again. Hirwa. Hirwa. No good. One more time. Pops up, palpal. Borlasa. Pareño. 3-second violation again. Substitution made now. Okay, Borlasa para kay Natividad. Good game para kay Borlasa. Kay Baquiano. And Manson. Escobedo. Touch last by Pareño. Ouch. Escobedo against Hirwa. Kalilong. Duko sa ilalim. Labas. Rebound di Pareño. Kick pass kay Natividad. Wala. Ayun, meron. Nice. Nice trail job by Claveria. 5:14 remaining. Laman ng 4. Lamang ng 6 na naman ng AU. Obaog. Walang pilasahan. Sayang. Ganda sana nun. Sab muna Kalilong para kay Babagay. Walang pinasahan si Natividad. Babagay. Kandol. Nice shot by Escobedo. Shout out kay Mr. Ariola. Sir, where you na? We miss you, sir. James Ariola, shout out din po sa iyo. Hirwa, 2 points Hirwa. The Black Assassin, bumanat na naman si Hirwa. Kandol, 3 points naman, binanat 3 points. 9-point advantage again by AU. Claveria, muntik na. And Natividad to Borlasa. Borlasa, fade away shot. 2 points Borlasa. Borlasa, 2 points. And Mr. Obaog. Obaog again. Ayun na. Against Hirwa. Hoop. Stepping on the line. Timeout. Team in flights. Okay, back to the ball muli tayo. Foul called. Ariola. Nope. Malakas. Manson. Pabagay. Candol for 3. Nope. Rebound Escobedo again. Manson. Wala. Hirwa. Nando si Pabagay. Taka. No good. Out of bounds. Taka out of bounds. And Hirwa. Borlasa for 3. Nope. One more time. Borlasa. Nope. Espareño. Wala pa rin. Babagay Espareño. Escobedo. Candol for 3. Yes, sirree. Candol 3 points. Natividad. Nice cut. Pero nandun si Escobedo again. Manson, easy 2. And timeout called by team. Timeout called by team. In flights, the score went at 68-56. The biggest lead so far at 12 points courtesy of In Flights. Palasigan, nasa akin na yung bola, binig ko sa mga referee. Salamat. Nasa mga referee, nasa referee. Yung mga bola. Isang bola. Thank you, boss. Bye. Bye-bye. 1 minute 59 remaining. 68-56. Pakicheck lang po yung lineup. Okay, they will go for 14 seconds. Shot clock. Bacchiano inbounding. And Paredo to Bacchiano. No good, sayang, dinano. And Manson, binababa ang bola against Salting. Candol against Salting. Mr. Babagay. Ayun. Totaka. No good. Paredo. Di mo brake yan, Escobedo ang bola. Manson for 3. Bang! Nothing but net. 1 minute 14 remaining. Fourth quarter action. After this is the final game for the day between Boleros and the Sky Team. Hirwa. 2 points Hirwa, top board. And timeout called by Team AU, Airport United. You're watching right now the second game for the day between In Flights and Airport United. And of course, mamaya po, Boleros versus the Sky Team. And bukas po pala po, meron po tayong mga bubukas, Hub versus QDF. And last game po is CAS versus the Project. Okay, Manapat. 2 points. 46 seconds remaining. Molina, walang binato. Walang pinasahan si Molina. 39 seconds remaining. 71-60. 11. Bacchiano. Nope. It's Manapat. No good. Rebound Hirwa. Kapos. Eric Grama to Munoz to Taka. No good. Rebound by Bacchiano to Hirwa. And Manapat, 2 points. 10 seconds remaining. Sa Taka, Molina. I think that's it. Salting. No good. And that's it. Game over. Final score 71-62. A 9-point lead advantage. Winner by 9 points. Ito po ang Airport United. Maraming salamat po. Again, next game po tayo between Boleros and Sky Team. See you and thank you very much.